I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I was downtown the other day and stopped over at the Kalamazoo Antique Store. It's right there across from the park, right next to Heritage Company. When I was looking around in the store, they had this little thing. And I thought, well, that's kind of cool, nice little turned block of wood. And then I opened it. It's a sharpening stone. Looks to be a carborundum stone. It's definitely manufactured because it's two nice clear layers on it, so it's a manufactured stone. But it has a coarse side, which is usually red, like this one, and a fine side, which is lighter. And it's been definitely used, but it's been well taken care of. It doesn't have any hollows or dips in it. No chips of any consequence. So I think somebody took care of this thing. They probably sharpened some blades that were important to them, so they wanted to keep their stone in good shape. So now I have a nice round stone. Now why a round stone? I've seen people do things with a round stone that you'd normally think of doing with a squarish stone, but a round stone seems to work really well. This old axe belonged to my father-in-law. It's in about the same shape as it was when I got it. I'm not going to put a new handle on it. I don't use it anymore. I have several others that I use instead. This one is just a keepsake because it's my father-in-law's. He's long gone, and this is something I can remember him by. This kind of stone, you see people sharpening axes with. Now this old axe is pretty dull. I'd be all week sharpening it with this stone. This stone is a stone that you'd use to sharpen machine blades, and I don't exactly remember where I got it from. This one is just all one grit. Definitely coarser than the other one. I could probably put an edge on this axe in about, maybe half an hour. Maybe not shaving sharp with this, but definitely get the bevel correct so that I could go after it with a finer one. Some people like to have a shaving edge on an axe. It's okay if you want to. It doesn't bother anything. I mean, it's definitely not going to hurt me if you have a sharp shaving edge on your axe. But I just don't see a reason for it. I want to have it so that it slices into the wood, but I don't need to have it something that's just going to chop down trees by dropping it. But the thing I liked most about this was I got it for a good price, and it just looks cool. I like these stones inside of a wooden box. Shows somebody cared. And if you have an idea how you can get all this junk out of a stone, some cleaning method that you prefer. This one has got a lot of oil in it. So if you think you got an idea, put one in the comments. If you have any other suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. I'll be waiting to hear from you about cleaning this stone too.